Advertising is centuries old, but the reason it's continued to be effective for so long is partly because it keeps adapting to new technology. And the latest technology to join the advertising world is AI. I know you've never heard of this AI thing. It's never been mentioned anywhere before. Maybe you're looking to integrate some AI tools into your digital advertising strategy so your strategy isn't stuck in 1921. Luckily, you've clicked on this video, and now I'm here to give you some pointers. Here at WebFX, we know advertising, and we know quite a bit about AI too.
I'm actually secretly a robot, but don't tell anyone.
So strap in as we go over 5 ways to use AI in digital advertising. By the way, if you find this helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content just like this. Alright, moving on. First, you can use AI to do keyword research. Believe it or not, keywords aren't just for SEO. They're really important when you advertise in search engines like Google. But sometimes it's tough to figure out which keywords you should target with your ads. AI can help with that. You can give an AI tool a sample or seed keyword and then ask it to come up with similar keywords you can target. Of course, you'll want to double check whatever keywords it gives you using an SEO tool. Use tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush to see which keywords get the most traffic and have the least competition. Since we're talking about advertising, you can also use the Google Ads Keyword Planner for detailed keyword data. So, AI isn't the only way to do keyword research, but it gives you a good starting point. Sometimes AI might come up with unique keyword ideas that more traditional tools don't. Not only can AI help you find keywords, but it can also help you bid on them. In fact, AI can help you set all kinds of paid advertising bids, both for keywords and for ad space. In Google Ads, for example, you can use smart bidding, which automatically sets bids for your ads based on your campaign performance and preferences. It might sound kind of scary letting an AI tool control your ad spend, but to be clear, it can't spend your money however it wants. You get to set parameters on your budget and maximum bid, and you can specify the keywords or ad space you want to target. To get the best results from automated bidding, make sure to give the AI as much advertising data to work with as possible. You can import that data into your ad platform from your CRM or wherever you keep it stored. The goal is to let it see which bids, keywords, and ads have been the most effective at driving conversions and revenue in the past, enabling it to make bids that will drive those results again in the future. AI can also help you generate different ad variations. Your ads are made up of different parts. There's the heading, the description, the landing page, and so on. In a given ad group, you'll probably have multiple versions of at least some of those. It's a good idea to combine all those versions in different ways to test which ones work best, and AI makes that way easier. Some advertising platforms can automatically create and launch different ad combinations to drive the best results. In Google Ads, for example, you can do this with Performance Max campaigns. The AI will sort of look at the goals you set for your campaign, evaluate the different audience signals and the real-time info it has access to, and pull all of that information together to serve ads that meet people wherever they are online. Hello, efficiency. A lot of ads also contain images, and you can use AI to generate those images. Now, you do want to be careful here. If we're talking about a product image or graphic, you don't want AI involved. Use real product photos and create graphics yourself. But let's say you just want a generic header image for your landing page. It's only for aesthetic purposes. It's not really communicating any important info, so it might be okay to use AI for that. Tools like Dolly or Midjourney can easily generate images in response to specific prompts that you plug in, so it's not difficult to get AI generated images. The real trick is knowing when to use them and when not to, and making sure the images you generate don't have any glaring quality issues. Finally, you can use AI to analyze your ad campaigns. Digital advertising isn't a one-and-done process. You have to consistently check the progress of your campaigns and then re-optimize them to perform even better. AI can help you with your analytics, and in fact, a lot of marketing analytics tools have already integrated AI. On top of the fact that AI can quickly identify patterns and trends in your ad campaigns, it can also go a step further and predict the kinds of results you may be able to expect in the future. It's like having your own personal crystal ball. That makes it a lot easier to plan for the campaigns you create down the road. So AI doesn't have to be this scary thing that takes over the whole world. It can be a helpful tool that makes your job a little easier. Now that you have all this new AI knowledge, go get out there and start upgrading your ad campaigns. But first, while you're here, you should subscribe to our channel to get even more content about digital marketing and advertising. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.